Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the language of the Thai Airways application and the set country. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down to the bottom and click on the Settings button down below. Here you can find the language section at the top of the screen. That's the first option, so tap on it. And here you can type in the language to the search bar, or you can see all the languages, so tap on the relevant one and then the language of the whole application will be updated automatically. You can also set your country by tapping on the second button. You can search for it more easily by typing in the country name at the top to this search bar, or you can also search for it by scrolling down and select it from the list and then click on the relevant one, and then the country of the app will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.